Welcome to 2912 Wilston Place, Unit 202 in the Villages at Falls Church, right around from Seven Corners. We're going to point out a few features today. The new owner will love their one-bedroom, one-bath condo in Falls Church. This generously sized living room with fresh paint, brand new carpet, 4 windows where the sunlight just streams through. The kitchen also features hardwood flooring, freshly painted cabinets, a full-size dishwasher, refrigerator, stove range, and a window to your backyard. Additional features include a full bathroom with a new vanity and toilet, lighting, and a shower tub combination, your own washer and dryer in your unit, and your bedroom freshly painted with brand new carpet. We hope you enjoyed this tour today. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private viewing. As you can see, there is an amazing playground here. It is super pet friendly with places to dispose of your dog's waste. Looking forward to hearing from you.